Oh.
Sabi ko, I love salty foods din. Ako, sabi ko,
Mm.
grabe, kawawa siya. Parang, so I research nga, tapos, anong foods ang need ko kainin, and then for diabetes and hypothyroid, so dapat balance siya.
Mm.
So, tsaka yung mga inexpensive, tsaka
Mm.
available sa market natin, kasi since nasa Philippines tayo. So, so yung technique to how matagal siya, so yung cruciferous vegetables, which is yung mga uh, cauliflower, broccoli, cabbage, mustasa, pechay.
Mm.
Yan, out yan kasi I have hypothyroid. Pero number one yan na dapat kainin sa diabetes. So, I use yung okra water. So, and then I used low carb ako, and then low carb, no sugar, IF, intermittent fasting, uh 7 to 8 hours sleep, no stress, and walking, exercise.